we got some Einstein bagels action. I see some orders in the window, but I also see some drivers waiting. It was already ready. Yes, the name matches. It's actually on the drink too. Leave at door, don't knock, and here's the gate code. My camera on my phone kept fogging up, so I had to keep wiping it off because going from, I mean, it's right at my AC, but going from my car to how muggy it is outside, like it kept fogging up, I kept having to wipe it off. And I got a clear picture though, because that was important to me. I didn't want to send like a blurry picture. When I logged on to UberEats earlier, I had like notifications in my, what is it, opportunities. I never go in there, but I just want to like cancel them all out. So there's a shop and pay. I screenshotted at 9:40 this morning, $7.10, and I could accept it. So it was reserved for me to be able to accept. Like, I've never seen that before. I've never heard anybody talking about that before. And I mean, of course I didn't take it. It's supposed to be storming this afternoon. So I have Uber Eats and DoorDash on. I'm gonna hang out in this area. Actually, in this area, somebody DM'd me the other day with sending me a screenshot saying they just took an order. It was a $5 offer and the base pay was $2.16, but it says the estimate for this trip was 32 cents. They didn't know what that meant. I don't know what that meant. What does that mean? All right, $10.30 for 2.2 miles. Like, not even a minute of sitting here. Let's go pick it up. It's for Mellow Mushroom, which is pizza, and that $10 might go up. Let's see how many. It's 3 items, 3 pizzas. So I mean, it might go up, it might not, but it is well worth the 2 miles. So let's go pick it up. Oh my god, it smells so good. Picking up Uber for Catherine. Yes. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Should we box up right now? So it's like 1 minute.
Okay. I got the goods. Oh my god, now my car smells like pizza. It smells so freaking good. I've never ate at Mellow Mushroom before, but it smells so good. It was at a business, and it was like a female's name, and a guy came to the door and he's like, no she didn't. Like, he was so happy. This girl ordered pizza for, like, I guess everybody. So I like being the delivery person when it comes to that, and I'm like surprising people. $2.30 base pay. So I'll update y'all in an hour when I find out what the full tip is. I've never picked up from there before, and like, I didn't know if it was at the front or, and then I seen the lady way in the back and she's like, yo, pick up. So we figured it out. For Nadine. Thank you. Let's see. Leave at door. Can you ask for more sauces on the side, please? No, ma'am, I cannot. But I mean, if I read the notes before I walked in, sure. I don't see the notes until I'm on the way. All right, that came out to be $7.50 with a $2 tip. That's a $5.50 base pay. All right, the rain has started. I was trying to get one more order before the storm comes through. It's supposed to storm for the rest of the day. So I tried to get a couple hours in. I did pretty good. and I'm gonna head towards my house area. I'm going to call it a day, call it a morning, you know. I have been posting videos every other day if you haven't noticed, so I do appreciate you clicking on my videos, making it to the end. So that's gonna be it for me today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.